Alright, I saved the last blade for you guys to see. And then we're going to move on to the Farmington, which I have to move the phone cord over to there because I use my cell phone for recording. And then after I get this last blade off, I'll put the chain extension back on. Alright, here we go. Bladeless fan. What I'm going to do with the Farmington blades is just throw them in the trash because that one isn't staying. It's going bye-bye. So let's grab the chain extension. Well, I just tested the motor without blades on it. Don't worry, I'll do it again when the camera is fully charged. There, our chain extension is back on. Now, on to that fan. Let me just move the ladder first. I'm just gonna move this so I have enough space. Perfect. And then I'll move you guys. There's the gazebo taken apart. There are the blades. We're moving on to the Farmington now. Probably have to stick you guys where these boots are. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. We'll start this in a minute. Peace.